In 2026, something extraordinary is happening. Robots, real, intelligent, helpful robots, are finally becoming a part of everyday life. Not in movies, not in labs, but in homes like yours. Today, we're looking at 5 AI robots you can actually buy in 2026, and trust me, each one feels like a glimpse into the future one. Astron Home Assistant, the robot that understands you. Astron is a next-gen home robot designed to follow you, talk to you, and understand you. It manages your schedule, controls your smart devices, reads your expressions, and adapts to your mood in real time. It's like Alexa evolved into a real physical companion, one that can walk beside you. A robot that doesn't just respond, it anticipates. 2. CareBot S2, a guardian for families and seniors. CareBot S2 is the robot built to look after the people you love. It monitors vital signs, detects falls instantly, and alerts emergency contacts when something goes wrong. But what makes it special is how it learns daily routines. It notices changes, predicts risks, and steps in before problems even happen. For parents and elderly individuals, this isn't just a robot, it's peace of mind. 3. TaskMate Pro, your robotic household. Worker. TaskMate Pro is the robot that tackles the chores you don't have time for. It vacuums, mops, loads laundry, picks up scattered items, and can even bring you things using advanced object recognition. It maps your home in minutes and gets smarter every day. It's not just helpful, it's efficient in a way humans sometimes aren't. 4. Petron AI, the robot that feels alive. Petron AI is built to be a companion for kids, adults, and anyone who wants more connection. It recognizes emotions, responds to touch, holds full conversations powered by advanced language models, and can even help with homework or teach new skills. It doesn't feel like a gadget. It feels like a character from a movie that somehow stepped into reality. 5. OmniHaul Mini, small robot, big strength. OmniHaul Mini is the compact utility robot built for strength and precision. It can lift objects, carry groceries, transport packages, and navigate both indoors and outdoors with perfect stability. It's the kind of robot that takes over the heavy lifting so you don't have to a powerful little helper that changes everyday life in ways you don't expect. AI robots are no longer promises. They're products, real, tangible, and ready to bring into your home. Which of these robots would you actually buy in 2026? Let me know in the comments. And if you love exploring the future of technology, make sure to like this video and subscribe to TechSpeaks, where the future isn't just explained, it comes alive.